Alright, and hello everyone, welcome back to, I just dropped my headphones on that weird can sitting next to me. Welcome back to Blizzard looks at Saints Row looks at. I just messed up the intro, let's do this again. Hello everyone, welcome back to Blizzard looks at. Today we'll be looking at Saints Row 4. Still trying to get used to this whole intro thing, but I still am enjoying the series as the gun phases through her. Great. So, today you're looking at Saints Row 4, as I already said. You're probably well aware of it too. And I'm going to be honest right now. Let me start the timer real quick. Just realized I forgot to do that. I have a text message. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm really professional at this. Stopwatch. Start. Alright. So, I'm gonna talk about the game from both an isolation and non-isolated point of view. As I did with Grand Theft Auto 5, I'm also gonna do it with this one. So, anyways, I will be doing some shenanigans. Once again, I have beaten this game already. 87% as a matter of fact. Sorry, there's something in my teeth I was chewing on. Now this is my character as of right now. The one I beat the game with was the same one I have in my Saints Row the 3rd series. Don't watch it, it's terrible. But this one has, the one I was playing through the game as had the Sim suit whenever I finally started doing the loyalty missions, which are really enjoyable missions. I do recommend doing them. Plus the ending for it is a lot cooler. But this character I just made is sort of my own little personal superhero because me and my friend are just playing around. Now, I'm going to go ahead and talk about this game from an isolated point of view. From an isolated point of view, it's a really, really good game. It does have a few problems, but overall, it's a very good game. For one, okay, let's go ahead and drop down. Let's talk about the bad things first. This game suffers from, well, for one, the city is not that interactive. I mean, there's nothing literally to do except for go to shops, essentially. And that can get really old really fast. Another bad thing is that, as much as I like it when games reference other games and other series, there's a limit. And this one definitely exceeds the limit. This one has so many references, it just is. It's like the game has no personality of its own, essentially. It's a game about other games, and that can just get annoying. Next, as you can see, hold on, let me go to the front. This was the main Saints headquarters in Saints Row the 3rd. It's gone. Instead, you have what I was standing at in front of in the beginning, the little, the weird gate. Yeah, the blue gate thing. It looks like some Stargate. I mean, I just like the penthouse so much more because, you know, while it is much easier to just have stuff, like, at the flick of just one menu, it's kind of cooler to... Jesus. Okay. I'm going to get out my America. There's also these things, but we don't talk about them. The game also suffers from, I mean, I'm using a plane now, but there's really no point in using a plane. Oh, Jesus! Oh, God. I'm gonna die. Oh, God. But, Um, Cars and planes are just useless. I mean, I can get anywhere I want to just by pretty much free running. Two, as you can see, there's a little yellow orb on the radar. That is, we'll get to that. As you can tell, I pretty much have notoriety as notified by the. I'm trying to get some more. As made clear by that red bar. They're not a threat. They're essentially just not a threat. I'm going to get out right now. Because when I get to that red ball, when I smash it and destroy it, okay, well, never mind, it's gone. But if you smash and destroy it, you lose notoriety. Like, oh, it must be really hard to go after. It really isn't. I mean, I can get to it with absolutely no problem. In terms of the powers, I like them. I really do. They're really fun. They're enjoyable. Essentially, I'm going into really, really shady territory. This is what Infamous Second Son should have been. Because, really, I think there's like 4 categories in the game, and they all pretty much had the same moves. One had one where you could move very fast. There's one that shot a little beam. There's one that made like slow motion. And it was just like, oh my god, there's no creativity to these powers. Yeah, sure, they look gorgeous, especially the neon one. But there's no, like, point in using a different one. I was pretty much just stuck to the neon one the entire time. But still. Now, one of the cooler things is that the car custom... Now, let's go to the pros. That's pretty much all my gripes. The pros. This is still from an isolated point of view. The game's excellent. It is just a really good game. I know I can't say that enough. It really is a good game. It's fun, it's enjoyable, it has really deep customization, as always. You know, look here, I don't have a parachute. Like, I miss having the parachutes. So what's up, cheats? Let's see if I do. Oh, I don't. Okay, doesn't matter. It's just, you can't help but feel you're missing something. I have that weird dive. Right. Yeah, there also is like this weird like screen fuzz that you can turn off if you don't like it. Which I'm actually going to now, because it probably doesn't look very good, so let's get rid of the phone green. But yeah. Never mind. So we're going to go change our character. Yeah, the superpower is really cool. It's fun to explore the city. All that fun stuff. I just blew that car up. Okay, let's find the image as designed. There's one right here, coincidentally. I don't have much spending money, but I think we won't be able to make it work. Okay, well, clothes might have to wait, but the looks shouldn't. It's like $400, I think. Oh, jeez, what was that? Okay. This car outside. Truck that's really loud. It's poor form. It's like cosmetic surgery. So I was thinking about making a serious character, but we're just gonna make a nonsensical one. It's Caucasian as always. Just kidding. Should I make a Hulk? I'm gonna make a Hulk. It's like sun ripened. And green apple. Let's see a little bit of age. He's the Hulk, man. He's the Hulk, baby. Jesus Christ. He's the Hulk, so you know. Nothing. Face. Oh, eye color. Doesn't Hulk have like purple in his like that? I think he does. He should. Hair. Head. There's like a weird scraggly one. Dun dun dun. Nope. 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 What? Nah. You can't find one, it's just impossible. We're gonna go with I don't want to spend too much on this guy. It's gotta be purples always. A bright one though. I want a dark one. There we go. That looks so dumb. Eyebrows, I think they're always black, so I'm gonna go with that. Personality. Yeah, yeah. That's not this isn't my deal. Let's go to Planet Zim. Or I guess see what let's go yeah, let's go here I guess. Alright. The Hulk is going away. Hey! Alright, so head, that's... The Hulk wears nothing. Literally nothing. Upper body. None. Bra, none. Necklace, none. Backpack, none. Lower body. And his are like purple, right? They should be. The Hulk doesn't wear shoes. Wrists. Hands. It's very Hulk-like. guys on the Hulk. Don't worry about it. So yeah. Anyways, now that we're the Hulk, I guess we should go do superhero things. Yeah, there we go. That's Hulk-like. You guys couldn't hear that, but it sounded so hilarious. Alright. What? Are you kidding me? Wearing a suit with open-toed shoes? Darn! You're a disgrace to the law. I am a superhero. Dun dun, dun 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 dun. Something. Oh shit! Where did it go? You insult me? Bully! Not allowed. You're driving a car in which, hold on, one guy's wearing a vest and the other guy's wearing a really tight shirt. That's a disgrace to the law. There we go. Now it's gone. How dare you get close to me? That's poor driving skills. You dare fire at me? How dare you use guns? Gun safety's for nerds. Now they're dead. How dare you not be from America? Ah! Yeah, it also has this mode. The gun is a hell of a lot of fun. Trust me. You dare hit me with your riot shield? No. Rawr, I'm a Hulk man. Hulk man away. Alright, let's go. X-Man away! I will not just research. Ooh, okay. Now I can demonstrate this is. So as you can see, there's that weird, like... Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. How many pairs of shorts do you have that fit?
Like 2.
2.
Yeah. So yeah. Sorry about that. Oh jeez. Okay. Well, I've lost police. I don't remember what these blue dots are for. Police suck. How dare you? Now he's in space. Hooray. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. You can also run on water, because that's what cool guys do. I don't like the way the water looks. It looks terrible. So yeah. My nose is a bit stuffed now. I'm crying. Oh my god. There's not really much to talk about in this game, other than... I mean, it's pretty much Saints Row the Third with superpowers. That's all it is. And that's really my main gripe, is it's not that much different from Saints Row the Third. Like, to me, it just pretty much felt like a really, really big DLC. That's all it felt like. Which really sucks. It really does. Here's one cool thing you can do. Pretty much just be sitting here and do a nuclear blast like this. here's the... This is race. Okay, then. Alright, we're going to exit simulation. This reminds me a lot of Borderlands 2, but, you know. Hey guys, I'm the Hulk, don't worry about me. Hulk on the ship. Okay. Jeez. We're gonna see. I forgot where you go to customize the simulation. Is it here? Alright. Simulation override. We're gonna make it modern. Okay. Enter the simulation and asleep. That's totally not like Avatar, the terrible movie. What movie was that? Oh, Inception or something. Oh my god. Can't even progress. So yeah. You can only change daylight settings once you beat the game. So that's a little unfortunate, but, I mean, you'll get over it. You probably won't. We have 9 minutes left. So, how you guys doing? It's great. I need some juju beans right now, but I don't have any of them. But I do have sensu beans. That's right. The Hulk is coming to your town. Nuclear explosion. So yeah. There really isn't much to talk about in this game. Like, if you've played Saints Row the Third, you've played Saints Row 4. It may sound like, he's just exaggerating. It really is the exact same thing. Okay. But I mean, I could learn to get over it, some might not. I feel like I should have done Saints Row 2, because I would have been way more interested in it. Alright. Audio log, just read that stuff. Okay, and that was an audio log that no one should care about. The collectibles in this game are a challenge to find in the beginning, but then, like, once you do all the loyalty missions, they're not that hard to find at all. And literally, hold on. See, it literally scatters them all across the city. Go to collectibles, you can target them and get them all. It really isn't that much. I mean, I could beat this game 100% if I wanted to, but I just don't. There is one cool thing I do like, though. I think I just permanently filtered the map. We're going to go to friendly fire. There's gun customization now. It's not as deep and in-depth as GTA 5's is. You really are just changing the way the gun looks, but it still looks pretty nice. Sure. I just demonstrated the black hole gun. So, yeah, that's the only game too. We're gonna keep the energy sword because I love Star Wars. remake this blue though, because I like Anakin Skywalker. That actually is not a lie, I really do. So yeah, you can change your like this is an RPG, as you can tell. So yeah, I think I'm gonna not use the RPG because I don't want to use it. There's also the balance rifle, which is actually a lot of fun. Very easy. Not a money. Okay. $950. I think we can deal with that. Probably not. Alright. So, that's the bounce rifle. It's really cool, actually. I like it. But, goodbye. And when you run near it, you just sort of, like, ragdoll a bit, but, I mean, then you can just sort of do, like, a suicide. Ooh. But I still like the America gun. America. I said America. I say America. America. Oh, there's a powered compressor thing. It's like you can be running and just, oh, now I'm a regular person. Now I'm not. I don't remember if you can get those or not. I don't think you can. You can also play the radio while running around. You don't have to be in a car, which is really cool. Wish GTA 5 would have done that. I kind of like GTA 5's radio over this one, but oh well. This one just has a lot of dub stuff. This game's a giant pop culture reference, essentially. I'm going to show you how we in America do this. I'm showing you how America does it. Sid. Are you kidding me? Alright. Oh, jeez. I'm okay, guys. Don't worry about it. Oh, no, I thought you fall a different way. Let's see. Oh, you really don't. But, yeah, so, that's my opinion. If I had to rate it on a number rating, it probably would in overall, like, in isolated terms, probably would get 8. But if we're talking non-isolation and talking about, compared to older Saints Row games, it is, in my personal opinion, the second best, actually. I like it more than Saints Row the Third. Not as much as I do Saints Row 2, though. Saints Row 2 is still the best. But it is better than both Saints Row the Third and Saints Row 1. So yeah, I think we've reached the 30-minute mark now. My phone says 29 minutes, but I know I didn't stop it quite as early. So, without further ado, peace, guys.